Hi there. If you're seeing this video right now, it means you want to learn how to remove images from background. But let's not talk too much. Let's get into it. So first of all, you're going to need a data connection, an internet connection. So just go into my data and then we'll go into the app. The app is Photoroom. I'll leave the link to the Photoroom in case you don't have it in the description. So open your Photoroom app. The process is very easy, and then just going to click on start from photo. I'm going to just click on the image you want to remove background from. This image, and then you just let Photoroom do the work. The speed of this depends on your internet connection. So it's done, and then it's going to take you to another page. Just wait for it to take us there. Alright, after that, this is how it will show you. It will show you a variety of options, all the things that you can do, but we want a transparent background, so we're just going to click here on transparent. And then you also have some options for what you can do with the photo, but that's not for today. And then you just click export and click save to gallery. If you want to export it in HD, you have to be a pro user, so you can just subscribe to pro. Otherwise you click on save to gallery. So that's basically how you can remove backgrounds from images. If you check it, it's going to be PNG. So if you know this video is helpful, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share to who might need it. See you all in the next video.